Hello, I'm Bill. Can I sit here?
Hello. I'm Shari. You can.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you doing?
I am okay. Thank you.
Where do you live?
I live in Alabama.
Nice. I live Colorado.
How long do you live there?
I lived there for 11 years.
Do you live alone or with your family?
I live with my wife.
Really? Nice. I live with sisters.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 3 sisters. How long have you been married?
I have been married for 5 years.
It was nice talking to you. But I have to go.
Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Lesson 11, Now or Later.
Valerie, where are you going? I'm going to the store. I need to buy something. Really? I need to go to the store too. Would you like to come with me? Yeah, let's go together. Would you like to go now or later? Now. What? Now would be better. Okay, let's go. Should we walk? No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Lesson 12, Do you have enough money? Laura, what are you going to do today?
I'm going shopping.
What time are you leaving?
I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock.
Will you buy a ham sandwich for me at the store?
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have enough money?
I'm not sure.
How much do you have?
$25. Do you think that's enough?
That's not very much.
I think it's okay. I also have 2 credit cards.
Let me give you another $10.
Thanks. See you later.
Bye. Lesson 13, How have you been?
Hello, Richard.
Hi, Karen.
How have you been?
Not too good.
Why?
I'm sick.
Sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It's not serious.
That's good. How's your wife?
She's good.
Is she in America now?
No, she's not here yet.
Where is she?
She's in Canada with our kids.
I see. I have to go now. Please tell your wife I said hi.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
I hope you feel better.
Thanks. Lesson 14, Introduction to Friend. Robert, this is my friend, Laura. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Laura, what do you do for work?
I'm a doctor.
Oh. Where do you work?
New York University Hospital in New York City. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Where?
At a high school in New Jersey.
That's nice.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
You are so pretty.
Thanks.
Lesson 15, Asking about location.
Excuse me. I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where is it?
Sure. It's down this street on the left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
How far is it?
About 1.5 miles.
How long does it take to get there?
5 minutes or so.
Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there.
Thanks a lot.
You are welcome.
Lesson 16, Do you know the address?
Excuse me. Do you know how to get to the mall?
Sure, I used to work there. Go straight for about 1 mile. Then turn left at the light. The mall will be on your right.
Do you know the address?
Yes, the address is 531 Main Street.
Is it faster if I take bus?
No, that way is longer. There are more stoplights on that street.
I think you're right. Thank you. Lesson 17. The supermarket is closed.
Jeff, I'm going to the supermarket. Do you want to come with me?
I think the supermarket is closed now.
Oh, when does it close?
It closes at 7 o'clock on Sundays.
That's too bad.
Don't worry, we can go tomorrow morning. It opens at 8 o'clock.
All right. What do you want to do now?
Let's take a walk for half an hour. My sister will be here at 8:30. And then we can all go out to dinner.
Okay. Where does she live?
She lives in San Francisco.
How long has she lived there?
I think she's lived there for about 10 years.
That's a long time. Where did she live before that?
San Diego.
Lesson 18. Vacation to Canada.
What's today's date?
It's July 5th.
When are you going on vacation?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We are going to Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Yeah, I know.
How long are you going to stay there?
About 2 weeks.
Where are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 17th.
All right. I'll miss you.
Lesson 19. Common questions.
Brian, do you know how to speak English?
Yes.
Where did you learn?
I learned in college.
You speak really well.
Thank you.
How long have you been in the US?
3 weeks.
Is your wife with you?
Yes, she just got here yesterday.
Have you been to California before?
No. I've never been there.
Have you ever been to Las Vegas?
Yes, I went there once on a business trip. Lesson 20. Help with pronunciation.
William, do you like studying English?
I like studying English, and I can read well. But speaking can be difficult.
It's not that bad. If you talk to your American friends every day, you'll learn quickly.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, what do you want to know?
I have my book from class here. How do you say this word?
Laptop.
Sorry, I don't understand. What does that mean?
A laptop is a type of computer that you can carry with you. Do you understand?
Yes, I think so. Can you say it again?
Laptop.
Laptop. Did I pronounce that correctly?
Yes, that's right. That's very good.
Thanks. And this word? How do you pronounce this?
That word is pronounced kitchen.
Thanks so much. You're a good teacher.
Thanks.